Typically in our industry, a system that's within 5 years old only requires basic cleaning. So if your system is within 5 years old, just make sure you're getting those tune-ups scheduled regularly, on time, and early before the season hits. With the 5 to 10 year age group comes more wear and tear components. This is where an HVAC rejuvenation package is a great option to consider because they extend your system's life and they help bring your system back to the factory's recommendation, almost like it was day one of installation. So again, if your system's about 5 years old or greater, the HVAC rejuvenation package is a great option to consider when protecting your future comfort. On systems older than 10 years old, we still recommend having regular maintenance performed. At this age though, we highly recommend considering replacement options and upgrade options before you pursue repair options, as at this point, a repair may not necessarily be an investment for your system as it's already beyond its normal average life expectancy. So depending on your system's age, just make sure you're choosing the right option that fits best for you.